Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're looking at division by 10 and 100. What do we need today? Resources. 0 to 100 number cards. 0 to 100 number cards marked in 10. A worksheet, 4s, extra 4s and 1s, enlarged and cut out to make individual cards. Blue tack. Here is our mental learning objective. I can rapidly recall number facts. Mental learning task. I'm going to give you different numbers and 3 different questions. Who is the fastest at answering them? 36. What is 36 divided by 4? What is double 36? What is half 36? Pause the video and answer the questions. 42. What is 42 divided by 6? What is double 42? What is half 42? Pause the video and answer the questions. 66. What is 66 divided by 6? What is double 66? What is half 66? Pause the video and answer the questions. 20. What is 20 divided by 4? What is double 20? What is half 20? Pause the video and answer the questions. I can rapidly recall number facts. Main learning objective. I can use the relationship between multiplication and division when dividing by 10 and 100. I can create a number of sentences about division. Key idea. To mentally divide by 10 or 100, you have to move the digits 1 or 2 places to the right. Main learning task. Today's lesson is on dividing by 10 and 100. First we're going to revise multiplying by 10 and 100. Pause the video and answer the questions. The answers were 7 times 100 is 700. So the 7 moved 2 places to the left. 13 times 100 is 1,300 or 1,300. And it moved 2 places to the left. 26 times 100 is 2,600 and it moved 2 places to the left. 7 times 100 is 700 and it moved 2 places to the left. Let's look at the next slide. We're now going to look at how number families are made. 60 times 10 equals 60. 6 equals 60 divided by 10. Both equal 6. What does 60 divided by 10 mean? It means 60 shared by 10. How many different ways can we describe 60 divided by 10 equals 6? What is the set of number families we can create? There are 2 division questions we can use these numbers for, or we can use 2 multiplication questions or answers or statements. Okay, pause the video and work them out. 2 times 100 is 200. Easy, yeah? So what is 200 divided by 100? The answer, of course, is 2. 4 tens are 40. So what is 400 divided by 10? It would, of course, be 40. Main learning task. Write down more examples for discussion. Ask questions which can be answered by looking and interpreting the equations. Pause the video to do this. Attached in the next slide are the FORS cards which you need to cut from the enlarged worksheet onto the board at random. Can anyone make a number sentence using some of the cards? Here we go. These are my 4 cards. Can you make me number sentences using these cards, and these cards? Pause the video and complete the activity. Main learning task. Now you're going to make your own number sentences using the worksheet cards. Write down each number sentence you make. To simplify it, use your ones cards from the worksheet. Can you make number sentences from them? You can look at the 0 to 1000 number, line numbers in tens for support. Challenge to make it harder. Children to use the slip marked question mark to make questions for each other to solve. Children use the 4 cards and the extra 4 cards to make a wider range of sentences. Here's our main learning objective. I can use the relationship between multiplication and division when dividing by 10 and 100. I can create a range of number sentences about division. Here's the plenary. Take the sets of cards one at a time, starting with the ones. Ask children to volunteer sentences which you or the children can write on the board. Pause the video here and do so. Check the class agrees with the suggestions. Pause the video and do so. Review of key ideas. Mentally divide by 10 or 100, you have to move the digits 1 or 2 places to the right. Did you learn this in this lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I have loads of maths resources and I'm always adding new ones. I love finding maths lessons, maths games, maths puzzles, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. Bye!